Hi everyone, Shane Laing here, Cybersecurity Advisor at Convergence Networks. Today's cybersecurity tip is related to one of the most common mistakes that we see people make, and that is the idea that a cyber attack won't happen or couldn't happen to me. When it comes to cyber attacks, the reality is that everyone is a potential target. Thinking that you wouldn't be of interest or that you or your company aren't significant enough to land on a threat actor's radar, it can be a critical error and is exactly what the cyber criminals are hoping you'll think. Yes, we've all seen successful cyber attacks carried out against big name enterprises, but there are also many examples of attacks against small to mid-sized businesses and even single proprietors. Many times, threat actors are interested in smaller targets simply because they can be more vulnerable and easier to compromise. The proliferation of improperly secured devices that get ensnared in botnets is a prime example of that. Another thing to consider is that threat actors may not specifically be interested in you or your company, but because of your association to another target, maybe somebody you do business with, it might be worth their while to compromise you to get to a larger, more lucrative victim. By practicing good cybersecurity hygiene and remaining vigilant will go a long way to lowering your risks of falling victim to a cyber attack. I hope that's helpful, and until next time, stay vigilant.